Home Depot just dropped their Spring Black Friday. And look, if you're hitting the aisles without knowing these deals, you're basically lighting 50 to 200 bucks on fire without even realizing it. Some items look like a steal but are actually total duds, while other combos are so good they're practically handing you a free tool. In this video, I've handpicked the 20 absolute best deals ranging from $10 impulse buys to $1,000 kits with massive price cuts. Most importantly, I'm going to show you what's worth your hard-earned cash and what's just a discount trap. If you're eyeing a new mower, power tools, or any outdoor gear for the summer, do not buy a single thing until you watch this. Let's jump into the first batch. Alright, let's kick things off with the first 5 items on our top 20 list. I call this the dopamine hook group. Deals so good your brain just tells you to add to cart the second you see the price tag. Starting us off is the ultimate lifesaver for every homeowner, Ortho Home Defense. Usually this runs you about 15 to 18 bucks, but right now it's a crisp $10 bill. Real talk. This is a stock up deal. Don't wait until an army of ants or roaches starts marching through your kitchen to go buy this. By then the price will be back through the roof. 10 bucks gives you a solid barrier for the whole year. Pro tip from my own experience, every early spring I spray a perimeter around my foundation. Result: no creepy crawlies bothering my kids. 10 bucks for peace of mind and a happy wife. That's a win in my book, fellas. Now this is a real party. This deal is a classic buy one, get one BOGO. You buy one Roundup spray bottle and they throw in a refill worth up to 25 bucks. You heard that right. This is the kind of trap we actually want to fall into. Why? Because you're always going to need Roundup for your yard. That refill basically slashes your total bill by 50%. I call this the double value deal that newbies usually miss because they're too busy staring at the shiny power tools. Don't be that guy, be the smart shopper. Already got the chemicals? Then look at deal number 18, a free sprayer. I see so many guys using one single sprayer for every chemical under the sun. Huge mistake. Any DIY pro will tell you separate sprayers prevent cross-contamination. You do not want to accidentally spray weed killer on your wife's prized rose bushes. Trust me, the fallout from that is scarier than a house fire. Having a dedicated sprayer is just how a pro gets it done. Now we're getting into the heavy lifting. Miracle Grow Garden Soil, 5 bags for 10 bucks. Might sound basic, but do the math, that's just $2 a bag for quality soil. At a small local nursery, you'd easily pay triple that. This is the fuel for your garden. Last year, I hauled nearly 20 bags to redo my front flower beds. There's a special kind of satisfaction in seeing a mountain of soil in your driveway while your wallet still feels heavy. It's the perfect foundation for the superstar deal coming up next. And here he is, the undisputed heavyweight champ of Home Depot's spring season mulch 5 bags for $10. Usually these are almost 4 bucks a pop, so you're looking at a 50% discount. This deal is exactly why the Home Depot parking lot is a total zoo at 7 a.m. But here's a little insider info for you. Always check the bag size cubic feet. Sometimes Lowe's runs a similar deal, but the bag size varies. This year, according to my OSINT open source intelligence, aka me lurking in the aisles, Home Depot is still winning on quality and consistency. One tiny lesson I learned the hard way. When you're buying mulch in bulk, bring a tarp for your trunk. Unless, of course, you want to spend your afternoon vacuuming wood chips out of your upholstery instead of enjoying your garden. So what do you think about these first 5 deals? Feeling that itch to hop in the truck and head to Home Depot yet? If this info is helping you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Also, quick poll. Are you Team Black Mulch or Team Brown Mulch for your yard? Drop a comment below. I'd love to see what the DIY community's vibe is this year. But don't go anywhere because we're just getting warmed up. The real toys for the boys are coming up next. We're moving into the high-octane stuff mowers, cordless power tools, and those holy grail combos where if you play your cards right, you aren't just saving 10 or 20 bucks, you're saving hundreds. Let's get to it. All right, folks, set that dirt and mulch aside because now we're heading straight into the lion's den. This is where the gearheads and the smell of fresh-cut grass lovers start to get hyped. I call Group 2 the backbone of the garden. This is where the serious tools start talking. Starting us off is the Ryobi 16-inch cordless mower for $269. Now look, I know there's a cheaper 13-inch version out there, but as a guy who's been pushing mowers for over a decade, let me give you some brotherly advice. Stay away from the 13-inch. Why? Because using a 13-inch mower is like trying to trim a football field with a pair of hair clippers. It's frustrating and a total time sink. The 16-inch is the sweet spot for average-sized yards. It's light enough for your wife to breeze through the yard, but wide enough that you aren't doing a million passes. $269 to escape the mess of gas and tangled cords is a smart investment in your sanity. If you want to knock out your yard work in one fell swoop, deal number 14 is your soulmate. $359 gets you a powerful 40-volt mower, and Home Depot is tossing in a free leaf blower worth $99. Do you see how insane this deal is? A free $99 blower. This is the ultimate power couple to keep your lawn and driveway spotless. Ryobi's 40-volt system is no joke. It slices through grass like a hot knife through butter. I once used this combo to clean up after a storm, and trust me, that blower isn't a toy. It'll blast away even the wettest, stickiest leaves. This is a certified steal that saves you nearly $100. And here's one for my fellow Team Red fanatics. The M12 pruning saw is currently $80 off, sitting at just $200. Honestly, wow, finding a genuine Milwaukee tool for nearly 30% off at Home Depot is about as rare as seeing a unicorn in your backyard. This saw is so compact, you can use it one-handed reaching into those thick bushes where a big chainsaw just won't fit. I had to climb a ladder once to trim some high oak branches, and thanks to how light this M12 is, I didn't lose my balance or wear out my arm. If you're already on the M12 battery platform, don't overthink it. Grab this before it's gone. So what do you guys think about these first three heavy hitters? Anyone caught between choosing Team Green Ryobi or Team Red Milwaukee? Drop a Team Red or Team Green in the comments. Let's start a friendly debate. But hold on, we're not done with this group yet. We're diving deeper into the world of raw power with our next three picks. Monstrous chainsaws and blowers are waiting. Check this out, the Milwaukee M18. A shear chait seats fuel chainsaw is down to $249. It's usually sitting pretty at $329, which means you just pocketed $80. For a pro-grade machine like this, an $80 drop is massive. Why am I obsessed with it? Because it's the fuel line, Milwaukee's peak performance. This isn't a toy for cutting twigs. This beast can take down hardwood trunks without breaking a sweat. Personal story, Satyr, a pine tree fell across my driveway after a storm. I grabbed this bad boy and cleared it in 20 minutes. No gas, no fumes, no pulling a cord until your shoulder pops. Just pull the trigger and cut. If you want to buy it for life, Saw, this is your moment. Now hold on to your hats, because this next deal is what I call a total jaw dropper. You're looking at $349 for the M18 fuel blower kit, and then boom, Home Depot just hands you a high output 12.0 ampere hour battery for absolutely $0. Guys, let's get real for a second. That 12 ampere hour battery alone retails for nearly $250. If you walk into the store next week and try to buy it solo, your wallet is going to feel that sting. This is the sweetest trap I've ever seen, and I'm telling you right now, jump into it. You're not just getting a blower that's terrifyingly powerful. I'm talking move half a brick across the driveway kind of power. Not just moving some dry leaves. More importantly, you're making a high-level play in the battery ecosystem. Think of this 12 ampere hour beast as the heart for your heavy-duty squad. When you're ready to upgrade to a miter, saw, a table saw, or even a mower, you've already got the most expensive part of the kit ready to go. It's a BOGO deal where the get one is worth almost as much as the buy one. Honestly, it feels like you're buying a battery and getting a free jet engine to clean your yard. Do not sleep on this one, folks. Historically, these kits with the massive free batteries vanish from the shelves in the first 72 hours of the sale. If you see it in stock, grab it, put it in your cart, and don't let go. We've cracked the top 10 with a literal giant. Now I know $1,000 after the $200 discount might make you flinch, but let's take a breath. For serious homeowners with big lots who demand perfection, this is the Rolls-Royce of battery mowers. It comes with two 12-ampere-hour batteries, the beefiest ones they make. If you bought the mower and batteries separately, you'd be looking at $1,300 to $1,400. At $1,000, this is a steal for a machine with a steel deck and the torque of a 200 cubic centimeter gas engine. I tried one in a buddy's backyard, and it's so smooth and quiet, you can literally mow while listening to a podcast without the engine drowning it out. If your budget allows, it's worth every penny. Rounding out our list today is a softer option for the guys just starting out or those who don't want to go full team red, the Ryobi 40-volt chainsaw for $239. Compared to the Milwaukee, this is a very smart choice for everyday DIY tasks. It's a bit cheaper, but still runs on Ryobi's rock-solid 40-volt system. If you're just trimming trees around the house or working on some small wood projects for the kids, this is more than enough. It's lighter and easier for a beginner to handle. I like to call it the family SUV of chainsaws, not too flashy, but versatile and totally reliable. So what's the verdict? From Ryobi's budget-friendly picks to Milwaukee's pro gear, this spring Black Friday really knows how to talk us out of our money, doesn't it? Have you picked your target yet, or are you still torn between a new blower or a mower upgrade? Smash that like button and let me know in the comments. Your engagement is what keeps me hunting for these deals. But wait, don't go swiping that credit card just yet. The next section is the secret sauce for pro deal hunters. We're going to talk about combo kits, and if you know how to hack these, the value you get back will blow your mind. Let's move on to Group 3. The Smart Combos, where I'll show you how to turn a basic purchase into the investment of a lifetime. Alright, this is the part where if you play your cards right, you'll walk away with double the value for the same amount of cash. Honestly, this section is exactly why I always tell people, never buy a tool until you understand the combo deals. Kicking off this group is the Yard Destroyer Duo from Milwaukee, the blower, plus string trimmer combo for just $299. Let's do some quick math here. Normally, just the trimmer with a battery would set you back around $230 to $250, but here for $299, you get the trimmer, the blower, an M18 red lithium battery, and the charger. That basically makes that high-end blower cost less than $50. I'm calling it now. This is the easiest yes in this entire video. If you're just starting your journey into the Milwaukee 18-volt ecosystem, don't buy these separately. Grab this bundle and run. It's the definition of two birds, one stone. Next up is a value maze where if you aren't careful, you'll pick the wrong freebie. When you buy the Milwaukee Quick Lock trimmer, you get a free attachment of your choice. This is where 10 years of DIY experience comes in handy, so listen up, pick the pole saw or the brush cutter, never pick the edger. Why? Because you can just flip your regular trimmer upside down and use it as an edger. Why waste your free gift on that? Meanwhile, that pole saw is worth over $150 and will help you tackle high branches without risking your neck on a ladder. Last year, I used that exact free pole saw to clear branches off my roof, safe, easy, and professional. Remember, always pick the most expensive and hardest to replace tool. That's how you win. Behold the king of the entry-level market, the Ryobi 6-tool combo. For $300 plus, wait for it, another free tool of your choice. Nobody fights harder for your loyalty than Team Green. For $300, you get almost everything you need to start a home workshop, drill, impact driver, circ saw, recip saw, flashlight, and now you get to add a sander or even a Bluetooth speaker for free. Compared to buying these individually at Lowe's or online, you're saving at least 40 to 50%. For the DIY newbies or anyone who just needs a versatile kit for home repairs, this is a total no-brainer. What do you guys think? Are these combos getting your heart racing? Did anyone accidentally buy one of these separately last week? Drop a comment below. Let's talk about which freebie is the must-have this year. Okay, but these next three in the combo group are the real final bosses. We're talking about battery kits worth a small fortune and how to score a Milwaukee chainsaw for absolutely $0. Team Yellow is playing it smart this year. For $400, you get the high-end XR Series drill and impact driver kit, but the real winner is the freebie. Here's the deal. Big brands rarely slash prices on their flagship models. Instead, they pack in the value. You can snag a circular saw or a grinder worth over $100 for free. I used this XR set to rebuild all the shelving in my backyard shed, and the grip and steady power are worth every cent. If you want that pro feel in your hands, DeWalt never misses. Okay, this is the biggest trap in the video, but a good one. When you hear $679 for just 2 batteries and a charger, you probably think I've lost my mind. But hold on. When you buy this kit, you get a free M18 fuel chainsaw, the same one we saw earlier retailing for over $300. Buy the batteries, get the saw for free. This is how brands lock you into their ecosystem. Once you have these massive batteries and a top-tier saw, you're never switching brands. That 12.0 ampere-hour battery is a beast. It handles the heaviest loads without breaking a sweat. If you're already a Team Red lover, this is a must-buy. Last one in the combo group is the DeWalt high-pressure washer. Buy the machine and you get a free attachment, usually a surface cleaner or a foam cannon worth $60. Pro tip from my own battle scars. Check the Home Depot app online before you drive to the store. A lot of times, the best attachments are only available for ship-to-home or store pickup. I learned this the hard way, drove all the way out there only to find the cheap-o nozzle left. Don't be me. Check the app first. So what do you think about this gift to lock you in, Cassis? Strategy genius or just sneaky? Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep being the smartest shoppers this spring Black Friday. But wait, Itish, we've been working hard all day. Isn't it time to actually enjoy the yard? Up next, we're leaving the power tools behind and heading to the most relaxing spot in the house. Coming in at the runner-up spot today is the Nexgrill 4 burner, priced at a steal, just $199. Now don't let that low price tag fool you. For less than $200, you get a massive grilling surface that can easily feed your kids' entire soccer team. I call this the people's deal for the summer. Look, if you aren't a professional chef and just want a reliable rig to sear some steaks or flip burgers on the weekend, why drop $1,000? This thing heats up fast, and the heat distribution is surprisingly even. My experience, it's all about convenience. Turn it on, grill it up, and clean up is a breeze. It's the perfect alternative to those pricey models if you're trying to save some cash for that mountain of Milwaukee batteries we talked about. And finally, the grand champion of our top 20 list, the Weber Genesis. Getting $100 off a Weber is a deal that's absolutely worth its weight in gold. Let's be real, guys. Grilling on a Weber is a whole different league. It's like stepping out of an old sedan and sliding into a luxury car. Their burner system is so bulletproof, you can use it for a decade and those flames will still be burning bright blue. Every time I throw ribs on my Genesis, the neighbors start peeking over the fence because the smell and those perfect sear marks are just next level. This is the ultimate treat-yourself gift after all those long days of DIY grinding. And there you have it. The 20 hottest deals at Home Depot's Spring Black Friday this year. Have you picked out a grill to kick off the summer yet? Or are you sticking to your guns and dumping your savings into new power tools? Drop a comment with grill or tools below. I want to see what the vibe is for our community this year. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deal hunting session. I hope you snag exactly what you're looking for and have an epic gardening season. I'll see you in the next video, where we're going to dive into the secrets of how to actually use all this new gear like a pro. Catch you later.